The FCT minister, even though a lawyer, is always very reckless with his utterances. I would have answered him, but this was the same person who said the APC is a cancer. The same person said he will never leave PDP. If he leaves PDP, God should kill him. And the same person that is saying this now is the ones looking at some people and said they will render them irrelevant. You know, from his antecedents, we will know the type of person, the personality he is. So I don't need to waste this energy in this well-prepared interview to concentrate on somebody who has no modicum of credibility to reply. Why should I reply him? He should go and deal with the statement he made. APC cancer. I will not leave PDP.
But he can also tell you he has not left the PDP.
No.
He attends their meeting. He still convenes the meeting of the PDP.
No, he has not left the PDP, except that he is now, he has developed an incongruous political concept. He is PDP APC, which is what we are dealing with. You know, if you want to assess the efficacy of a political movement, don't look at the tsunami enveloping, but gauge the body language of the government. You will know what will happen to them. I'm a practical politician. I don't know why my mouth is like the mouth of a prophet, but it's very toxic. I say things and they happen. Many things that I've said to the best of my memory have not failed. If the opposition, the coalition should be dismissed as they are trying to make Nigerians believe, in the last 48 hours, they have sponsored talks to attack the ADC personalities in 3 states. Even the third attack was misconceived. But because the issues they were discussing there, and there were high concentration of people who seems to look like having sympathy for the ADC, it was attacked. In Katsina, that's the latest. Rufai was attacked. Malami was attacked. They have also gone to attack the elders who were gathering in Katsina to help them solve the problem of insecurity. So from these just 3, you will be able to say conclusively whether by May 29 or earlier than then some of them should escape into Europe or America or Asia and allow their deputies to hand over or the chief of staff to hand over. Their behavior. So if the coalition is to be dismissed, why are you threatened by the mere fact that when you see them pass, you start shivering? The coalition is a reality. It's a tsunami. Only God knows what will happen. Then you rest assured that the future is pregnant. Therefore, we are not bothered at all. You see, the coalition is not looking at the individual. The coalition is only holding the APC government accountable. That's why we have not been profiling them. If you listen to our speeches, our statements, we address issues. We are talking about, the hunger in the land. We are talking about the stagnated economy. We are talking about the debt burden. If President Muhammadu Buhari, may so rest in perfect peace, whom they have demonized so much as leaving the heritage of this crisis for them, borrowed left the debt burden in 8 years at 89 trillion. He met it around 40 something. He left it at 89. In 2 years, we have 189 trillion. Yet, there is nothing to show on the ground.